Hi my beautets, welcome back to my channel. Right now we're gonna jump right in on this eye. This eye is already done, so we're just gonna go right in. I'm gonna use my Carly Bybel, y'all already know. Going in with this brown. Then I'm gonna start bumping it in, blending it in, right in and on my crease, because these are the colors I'm gonna be using. And I will be using another brown, and I'm just gonna add that also in here, and I will show you guys when I do so. But right now I'm just gonna blend and blend more. The more we blend, the more smoother it comes out. So I kind of spend a little bit of time just blending out each color, so when I go to add on every color, it adds, it comes together. So we want everything to be really so smooth. Now I'm going in with this color, adding it all over from the outer to the inner, and I'm just gonna blend this color also. You can see here that the colors are adding, it already looks so cute, and I love the way brown looks even with like cream or white eyelids. Oh my god, I fucking love it. Oh my god, sorry for cursing. Sorry for any kids are watching. I don't really mean to be cursing. I'm really a nice person. I don't be doing that stuff. I don't be doing that. But anyways, yeah, so we're just gonna go. This is a clean brush. I'm just gonna blend everything to my eye shape. You already know how I do. Blend is your mother friend. See, I abbreviated that. Yeah, and we're just gonna keep blending more and blending more. Like I said, I spent a good amount on each color. This is my second color, so I will be just keep blending and blending away until you like how the colors and everything is lined up and blended and set on the eye. Then you can move on to your next one. But I'm just gonna keep blending and like blending basically. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in and add on this color and just darken up the outer crease from the outer to the inner, and we're just gonna blend that also so that can have, that's the darker part, so you just want it to stay there and place it there and blend away. Now I'm just looking at how it looks, as I always do, and I'm gonna go in now with this shade, and this is gonna be my lid. I kind of wanted like a cool, pretty, coppery, a little goldish tones underneath, but not so much. Like it's still copper, but yet shiny and sparkly, if you know what I mean. So yeah, that's what I'm doing on this eye. I'm just dabbing on for my eyelid, and I'm going in with these beautiful shades from the Carly Bybel palette. It's basically my to-go all the time. Now I'm just gonna blend, and I'm also singing, so I'm sorry about that, guys. Yeah, I told you I'd be going through these rap sessions, so you can see my playlist. I just be going in with everybody I love to hear. Right now I'm going in with this nice brown liquid eyeliner, and I'm just gonna see how I'm gonna put it, because sometimes it can be tricky. And yeah, we all know the wings got to be the best friend, so yeah, they need to be best friends. And right now I believe this is where I'll probably end up messing up right now, because the way I believe it's gonna wing out, once I press it across at the end, it'll like mess up a little, but we can always fix that. So and I'm just gonna keep going in. But nonetheless, if you beautets want to continue to stay watching, I told ya that was gonna happen. I knew it. I knew something was gonna happen with the eyeliner, but anyway, we can fix that. If you want to continue to stay watching on how I finish up this look, you beautets can stay watching. I love you beautets so much. I hope you like my V-Day series. I have more coming, and I really do hope you enjoy my V-Day series on volume 2. This will be volume 2. I hope you beautets catched on volume 1. It's the video before this, so you can go check that out and then check this out. And I really hope you beautets like it and enjoy your week. Have a safe and blessed week. Love ya. What
be dead if I was basic. Would you still give me head if I had day shifts? I work when I want, I do what I want. What she want, wash it off when you tie me off. You know I be slow. Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Spit without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga called us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how brand is. Your nigga called us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how brand is.
Don't come around if you ain't close to me. I ain't built like them. It gotta work for me. Just cause I haunt you, it don't mean I want you, I don't.